Tired of your Windows 11 Bluetooth refusing to find your favorite devices? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick guide to get your Bluetooth back on track. First, let's check if Bluetooth is even enabled. Click the Start button, then click on the Settings icon. In the Settings window, find and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position if it's already on. Try toggling it off and then back on sometimes. That's all it takes. If that didn't work, let's dive into Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Scroll down until you find Bluetooth and expand that section. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter. It will likely have a name like Intel Wireless Bluetooth or something similar. Then, select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will then look for and install any updated drivers available for your Bluetooth adapter. If updating the drivers doesn't solve the problem, we'll restart the Bluetooth support service. Press the Windows key R to open the Run dialog box. Type Services and press Enter in the Services window. Scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click on Bluetooth Support Service and select Restart. If Restart is grayed out, choose Stop, wait a few seconds, and then start the service. Now, go back to your Bluetooth settings and try searching for your device again. Hopefully, your Windows 11 Bluetooth is now finding and connecting to your devices. If you're still having issues, consider running the Windows Troubleshooter or checking your device manufacturer's website for specific drivers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.